Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about turning your passion for blogging into a lucrative side hustle. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, I've got some valuable tips on how to earn that extra income. Let's dive in. The first key to success in blogging is choosing the right niche. Find a topic you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. This will make it easier to create engaging content and attract readers. Content is king. Focus on producing high-quality, valuable content that resonates with your audience. This will help you build a loyal readership and attract opportunities for monetization. Establishing a strong brand is crucial. This includes a memorable blog name, a professional-looking website, and consistent branding across social media. A strong brand attracts both readers and potential collaborators. Now, let's talk money. There are several ways to monetize your blog. AdSense and ad networks, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, and printables. Search engine optimization, SEO, is your best friend. Optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. This is a game changer for income potential. Building a community around your blog is essential. Engage with your audience through comments, social media, and email newsletters. A loyal following can lead to more opportunities for income. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your income streams to reduce risk. Explore different monetization methods and adapt based on what works best for your audience. Promote your blog on social media platforms. Utilize Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Social media can drive traffic to your blog and increase your income potential. There you have it, a roadmap to turning your blog into a thriving income source. Remember, success takes time, so be patient and stay consistent. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy blogging. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos for more blogging tips and tricks. See you in the next one.